The Canadoor team has been providing exceptional door sales, installation, and service for over 10 years. Canada knows us as the residential and commercial door experts. We thank you for the opportunity to serve. Beginning with the selection of the perfect door, to professional installation and maintenance, the Canadoor team will get it done right the first time. With our large team of technicians across 3 locations, we are ready to handle any project. And 24/7 service to keep everything up and running. The team at Canadoor has the knowledge and service needed to make your project a success. Canadoor, where every door is exceptionally balanced, perfectly executed.